Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I am so glad to have each and every one of you here, and I just want to say thank you for all the comments and stuff that I've been receiving, and for the emails. Now, I've gotten quite a bit of emails here lately. I haven't responded to all of them, but I just want you guys to know that I have read them. The reason I haven't responded as fast as I normally do on my emails is just because I am trying to upload some new patterns and stuff onto my website and onto my Etsy shop. And I'm trying to, I got the idea from Bag O Day about putting patterns on a thumb drive or flash drive, whatever, and selling that. And so I've been working on trying to do something like that for myself. I really like that idea. I bought her patterns and I just thought it was just the best thing. And you can get all the patterns at the same, all at once. And so I'm like, that's a great idea. And so I'm trying to do that with my patterns to be able to offer a substantial discount, putting mine on a thumb drive and actually mailing it out to people, free shipping. And so I'm working hard on that. And like I said, I've got some doll clothes patterns that I've been creating and trying to get out there. And so I'm a little bit slow as far as responding, but I have read every email and every comment. And so now on the YouTube, I've been pretty good at responding, of answering them faster than the emails. But some of the ones that have asked questions about certain hook sizes and stuff, I haven't quite responded yet because I actually have to go back and find the pattern and what I wrote down. And so I'm like, okay, what did I do that with? And so I haven't got to respond back to some of those kind of comments. Okay, so let's go ahead and just get into the email. Like I said, just keep them coming. I love every bit of them. The comments and the emails, they're fine with me. I love it. So the first thing I want to show is my Mary Maxim kit, and it came in this bag. Look at this, guys. I just thought this was so adorable. I was like, oh my gosh, I love this. It's a pretty thick bag. This is, matter of fact, I'm not affiliated with these two that I'm showing you. There's just something that I do. So this costs me $29.99 every 3 months. And I really wish it was monthly, but because so far the two that I've gotten I've really liked. But it's, I think, $4.99 shipping. So basically $35 is what I pay. But so just kind of forget the shipping, because when you do the price of yarn anywhere, there's always shipping on them after the fact of the yarn. So when I got this, I've been wanting to do something in green anyway. So I was very thrilled when I saw this green. I don't know if everybody would be as thrilled as me, because not everybody likes green, but I was. So I'm very excited. Let's see what I have in this bag. The pattern that they sent, like I said, I paid $30 for this. Yeah, I paid $30 plus $5 shipping and handling. But it came with this pattern. It's called the Spring Thaw Blanket. See if I can get it up close. I looked. Now, some of you guys may know what type of pattern this is by the stitching. Let's see. Might be able to tell like that. I've seen this pattern before, but I can't remember what they call it because I haven't actually done this before. But anyway, I looked for this pattern and I can't find it anywhere. It's not on their website. I've typed it in on Google search, and so I don't know. I was going to see like if this pattern is free somewhere, and I've tried to look for the person who created the pattern, but it just says it's what I see on that, it was copyrighted here it is, copyrighted 2021 by Mary Maxim, all rights reserved. So it doesn't actually have anyone's name. It just says copyrighted by Mary Maxim, March of 21. So I don't know, but I'm actually going to try and make this one because I like these colors. So here it is. It's the Mary Maxim, and I looked online, and these skeins of yarn are $5.99, so they're basically $6 a ball. And right now, Mary Maxim has them on sale for $4.99. So $1 off of them. But it's a 4-weight. There's over 450 yards in this. It's 8 ounce. And this color is called, yeah, it says approximately 474 yards, 100% acrylic. It's called Green Variegated. I like it. And I don't know, I told my husband, I said, I'm really surprised I sent green because not everybody likes green. But I've been wanting to do something in green, so I was thrilled when it came in green. And then here's this one. So I like this one too. It's called dark green. So here they kind of are together. There's some big things of yarn, guys. Big. All right, let's see. All right, there's my receipt. And then the other color is this white. So you get, basically the Afghan or blanket's going to be done in this. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the size real quick. It's going to be a big blanket. It's 41 by 54 inches. So that's a pretty good size blanket. And so you get another dark green. And you get this one, another one of these. So you get, as far as, oh, and then you get this nice bag. Really good bag. And the whole time you're working on your blanket, that's what is so cool about it, is while you're working on your blanket, you can keep your blanket in here while you're working on it. I mean, how nice is that? So it's like it came with your own project bag. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if without the $1 off each one, that is $30. So that's a $30 value. So for $30, you get the yarn, the price of the yarn, and you get a pattern, and you get a project bag. So I'm very happy with this. Very thrilled. So I wanted to show that off. And like I said, the last one I had, you guys remember I did the black and tan colored cardigan. It came with the black yarn. Very soft yarn. Well, I love that. And then this one came in, and I'm in love with this one. And I'm like, I really wish they had this monthly. So there we go. Just cinch it right up. Anyway, there we go. The other thing is, guys, this is pretty big. This is my Hobbii. Looky there. I have gotten into it to kind of look. I'm very excited over this. This was their DK weight, and I think they were like, I'm not sure how much they really are. I need to go back and look, I guess. They were, but they had them on sale if you bought, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think if you bought 7 of these, you got free shipping. And I bought, I think, 8 of them. Isn't that right? 2, 4, 6, 8. So I bought 8 of these. And so this yarn, I guess and it was free shipping because I bought 8. So it was like $80, whatever, 88, 83, whatever it is with shipping and handling. I mean, I'm sorry, with sales tax. I think there was sales tax. Anyway, so look at this. Another big one. It's called the Make Ball. And yeah, I got, let's see how much yarn is this. It's a DK, 100% acrylic, 1,312 yards in this baby. And I can't remember if it was, I think that they're almost $15, maybe regular price. But I needed some DK weights. I got a lot of amigurumi stuff I want to make and stuff, and I just need some DKs. And I got it in, I'm trying to lose it. I got it in black. I've got it in this color. This color is called, it just has numbers. It's 416. So I guess I could just tell you the number, right, guys? Color is 424. And color is 426 on this one. Color, they're on the outside. 416 on this one. And then I got like a royal blue color, and it says 410. And I got this teal color. Don't you guys like that one? It's 412. And then, of course, I'm pretty sure this is just white. Yeah. And it is color I like that they put them on the bottom. 401. And you have to have gold, right, guys? Everybody's got to have gold. And its color is 404. And then the last one here, is this yellow. I tried to sort of get me a variety of colors, you know, to do. The color on this one is 403 or 40. I keep saying O, it's 0. O is a letter, 0 is a number. Just old habit. But, so there we go. That's all the yarn. They're pretty big. So I'm really excited. In my mind, it's just like, oh my gosh, I can make all kinds of stuff with yarn, with this much yarn. You know, all kinds of amigurumis and stuff, and blankets and little, you know, all kinds of little summer things. So I'm pretty excited about this. And I'm glad that it's actually soft. I mean, you know what I mean? I don't know. There's probably stuff that might be softer. I don't know, but it seems pretty soft to me. So I'm happy. As long as I'm happy, right? You know, with what I got for my money. I feel like I got a good deal for my money. I don't know anywhere that you can pay $9 and something for a thing of yarn this big. I just don't. So I'm happy. Okay, so our 365 days of prayer. Okay, it says, still promised. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. That's Jeremiah 29:11. Loving Father, from the moment you dreamed me up and began numbering the hairs on my head, you planned the many blessings you'd rain down on my life. The plans and dreams of an earthly father are just an inkling, a mere glimpse of the hope and promise you hold in your heart, ready to pour into mine. Help me to trust always that your plans are best, that your hope for my life is greater than I can imagine. Help me face boldly, gladly into your plans. I thank you for all you've done for me, and I marvel at the thought of you, and I marvel at the thought of all you still promise to do. You love me so well, Father. Do you know that God has plans to give you hope and a future? Yes, I do. Okay. That's all that I have for this. I hope you guys have enjoyed checking out the Hobbii yarn. When I make something with this and try out this yarn, if I really like it, I will probably go and buy some more of them the next time they have a sale, because, you know, it's best to have a lot of solid colors in things, you know, whenever you want to make something. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.